When using this cooker, it's important to get the water level right. For this box of mac and cheese, we need to fill it to the second mark on the side, which is about 3 cups of water. I will leave the lid off and pop it in the microwave, but halfway through, I'll take it out and give it a stir to prevent the elbow macaroni from sticking together. Once the timer goes off, take the pasta out and drain the water using the pasta maker lid, which doubles as a strainer. Then pour the pasta into a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of milk, and then mix it up. If you're into easy cooking, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Thanks for watching.